Hello, faggot lovers everywhere. I've a message for you from Birdseye. Birdseye faggots will appeal to your whole family. They've made them with lashings of gravy, but they've gone easy on the spice because kids don't like them too spicy, apparently. Birdseye even suggests that people who don't like faggots could enjoy these. They live in hope. You know, they could be right.
Coffee, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. My goodness, it's very strong.
Give it here, I'll bang it under the tap.
Well, that's no good. You'll just make it weak and wishy-washy. I think coffee should be mild, but not weak. It should have flavour, but not be too powerful or bitter. All one asks.
I know what you're asking for.
What?
Fine blend instant coffee.
I say, do you have fine blend here in this cafe?
No. So I'll bang it under the tap.
If you like mild coffee, but don't like weak coffee, try new fine blend.
Ella Fitzgerald. She's attempting to shatter a glass with her amplified voice. You are now hearing the Memorex cassette tape recording we just made of Ella. Now you'll see a glass shatter again. But is it Ella or is it Memorex?
I'll never tell.
Buy 2 90-minute cassettes, get 1 free at participating dealers.
What to do